Today we are looking at the EZVIZ C8c 3K outdoor security camera, 360 degrees pan, auto zoom tracking, AI powered human and vehicle detection. You could download the app from the App Store or Google Play. I have used their products before and I'm really happy with them. If you want to watch them videos, I will leave a link in the description box below and in the iCard. If you want to pick this camera up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to watch more reviews. So some information here, 3K resolution, as I mentioned before, it does have AI powered human and vehicle detection, color night vision, two-way talk, infrared night vision, up to 30 meters, waterproof, H.265, high quality and they take up less space, easy installation. It sports a micro SD card up to 512 GB, which is not included, you could use your own. However, they do offer a cloud storage service, but that's a paid subscription. So it's up to you which option you choose, or you can have both if you want. This is everything that was included inside the box. Download the user manual by scanning this QR code. Mounting template, some more paperwork, some mounting hardware, power adapter, it's a barrel type one. Mine of course is 3-pin because I'm in the UK. An extension lead, and this is really good. More and more manufacturers are doing this. I recently reviewed another security camera. They included an extension lead as well, because these adapters don't be that long. It's normally 2 or 3 meters, and then in my case I had to buy another extension lead. I've got one that's I think 10 or 15 meters. Having one included, it's great. If you're going to use an Ethernet cable, you will need this jacket. This protects water from getting into the cable and damaging it. Mounting bracket. At the bottom of the camera, you have your QR code. At the back of the cable, we've got the speaker at the back there. If you move them 2 screws, you have access to the micro SD card and the reset button there as well. Infrared lights, color night vision lights, we have a microphone there. Okay, let's link it to the app. The QR code is at the bottom of the camera. I'll quickly put the password in off camera.
To Wi-Fi. Please wait. Connected.
EZVIZ has one of the better apps that I have used. I really like the app. It's really simple to use. At the bottom here, it has a check mark there for free trial. Password, so I'll quickly do this off camera. Fully set up. Once you've put the cable through, just slide it in. If you want to take the bracket off, you just squeeze these 2 tabs on each side. The lens on the older model was 2.2. This one is 1.6, so it should be good in low light. So lower the F number, the better the image quality, because it opens the lens up. Let's have a look at the app. If I tap the screen, I've got pause, speaker. If I click the icon next to that, pan and tilt, the directional pad has come up. Microphone next to that, the one on the far right that will flip the screen around. The arrow at the top, that's for shares. The diamond shape there, we'll have a look at that in a bit. At the bottom we have all the clips, and you can see the SD card is lit up blue because that's what I'm using. If I did have cloud storage, the cloud storage will be lit up as well. You could change the event view as well. At the bottom we have snapshot, record. They'll get saved into your phone gallery. PTZ brings up the directional pad. Talk, that's for 2-way audio. Definition, so at the moment it's on QHD plus. That's 3K, you've got HD as well. This depends on how good your internet is. When I'm at home, I'm using my internet. And when I'm outside, obviously I'm using my 4G mobile data, or if 5G is available, then I'm using 5G. Once you have set the camera up, you don't need internet. You could use your mobile data as well. Sleep. So it's taken a full 360 picture. Now say if I want to view the gate, if I tap on there, it will move the lens around. Or if I want to go near the tree. This is a really good feature. Alarm, you can listen to that. Floodlight. So this is what you're looking at now. I have enabled auto zoom tracking. It will not record like this, because if you look at the small window within the, or the large one within the app, that is still giving you the full view. So that's what the camera is seeing. It will let you know what's going on further away. It's a really good feature, this. I really like it. Okay, so here we have intelligent detection, notification, audio settings, image settings. So at the moment it's on original, that's default. You have other options as well. You could select smart night vision, then the lights will automatically come on. Light settings, PTZ settings, 360 picture. I really like that feature. Record list. At the moment it's ticked on event recording. You can also do 24-hour recording. So when the SD card is full, it will start rewriting. So when you first put an SD card in, it's always a good idea to come and format it. Then we've got general settings, shared device, cloud player, I don't have that, and device inspection, restart device, delete device. Really good responsive app. I'll show you some daytime and nighttime footage now. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. As I always mention, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube compressed the file. There you go, my friends. That was the EZVIZ C8c 3K outdoor security camera. In my opinion, I really like this camera. It's got good image quality, really easy to set up using the app. If this is the first time you are using an app on your mobile, if you're elderly or if you have limited knowledge in technology, this app will guide you through everything. And even after you've set it up, it's really easy to use. The app is responsive. I really like the zoom tracking feature. I haven't seen that on a camera before. Let me know in the comment section below if you have. I reviewed a camera recently and that had auto tracking, which worked really well. It didn't have zoom tracking. Zoom tracking is on a different level. Honestly, I think it's fantastic. The alarm and the lights work together really well. In my opinion, EZVIZ products are great. They haven't let me down. I've reviewed other EZVIZ products as well. I'll link them in the description box and in the iCard if you want to watch them reviews. If you want to pick it up, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.